What causes flaky tests in CI/CD pipelines? Imagine running your automated tests and getting different results each time. It can be confusing and frustrating. That's what flaky tests do. They sometimes pass, sometimes fail, without any change in the code. These unpredictable results can slow down your development process and make you less confident in your testing system. So, what makes tests flaky in continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines? First, timing and concurrency issues are common. When tests depend on precise timing or involve multiple threads, they can behave unpredictably. For example, risk conditions happen when tests relying on the order of thread execution, causing intermittent failures. Tests expecting certain delays or timeouts may also fail if system load or resource availability varies. Next, environment inconsistencies can cause flaky tests. Differences between local development setups and the CI server, like operating system, hardware, network conditions, or software versions, can make tests behave differently. Even small variations in system clocks or time zones can impact time-dependent tests. Another cause is state contamination and resource leaks. If tests don't properly clean up after themselves or share state, like database records, files, or in-memory data, leftover data from previous runs can interfere with new tests. This can lead to failures that seem random. External service dependencies also contribute. Tests that relying on third-party APIs, databases, or other external systems can fail if those services are unstable, slow, or return unexpected results. Network issues or rate limits can cause these tests to fail intermittently. Order dependency is another factor. Some tests only pass when run in a specific sequence. If the execution order changes, tests that depend on side effects from earlier tests might fail. This makes the test suite fragile. Poorly written or fragile tests are also a common cause. Tests that depend on implementation details, brittle selectors, or assumptions about the system can break easily. Lack of proper synchronization or error handling makes tests more prone to flakiness. To manage flaky tests, teams often isolate test environments to keep states clean for each run. Resetting data or using mocks and stubs for external dependencies helps reduce unpredictability. Handling timing properly with explicit waits, retries, or synchronization mechanisms instead of fixed delays also improves stability. Tracking flaky tests by running them multiple times and monitoring failure patterns helps prioritize fixes. Temporarily muting or quarantining flaky tests prevents pipeline failures while working on permanent solutions. Improving test design to make tests deterministic, independent, and resilient to environment changes is key. Understanding these causes helps keep your CI/CD pipelines reliable. It allows backend developers to deliver APIs, database interactions, and server-side logic with more confidence and less frustration.